I've been working in the environmental field for about 20 years, mostly around water and sustainability more generally. Over the last 6 or 7 years, it's been all about energy. One of our biggest challenges that we face in society is climate change, and dealing with the energy impact of our water system is a real focus of our state, especially in California. A few years ago, I was asked to build a program to help water utilities lower the energy consumption in their practices, try to make our water system more resilient to the impacts of climate change.
The current project that I'm working on is related to the turf removal rebate program that went through Southern California a couple years back, and getting a better idea of why people would choose to or choose not to pursue pulling up part of their lawn. A little bit deeper into that is a mix between psychology, economics, and environmental behavior. Do people tend to do this just for the money, or do they tend to maybe do it because they care about the environment, or are they doing it just because they care about what other people think about them?
Environmental communication is one way to tackle the larger issue of sustainability, to study a complex phenomenon that involves a package of practices, ideologies, and technologies. So we're currently looking at method strategies that will promote the adoption of water conservation.
One of the recent projects that I've been involved with, which is currently funded by the Horizon 2020 framework, I act as a regional coordinator for North Africa and the Gulf region to make use of green energy in order to maintain their future sustainable development. When we share this kind of experience with the students in our classroom, they really see the value of contemporary issues that we are currently working on.
My work has been primarily focused around the leadership studies realm, and we've looked at how peace and sustainability actually build together in forms of leadership. When we try to solve problems, both for sustainability and for peace, we tend to think short term, or if we think long term, it's only maybe 5-10 years. If we start to think about deep time, which is really looking at almost 500 years in the future, that provides us that space that really makes us malleable as we move to make change both for peace and for sustainability.